my channel. So I just put together a bunch of random clips from my phone, and honestly half of these I totally forgot I even filmed. Lately, days have just been super random. Some days are just boring, some are fun, and most of the time, you're just trying to get through schoolwork and chill. I didn't really have a plan for these videos, I just thought they looked cool. It's weird looking back at random weeks because nothing major even happened, but at the same time, a lot happened. I don't know, I just like recording little pieces of life so I don't forget them. Anyway, that was just my random week. Thanks for watching. Bye.